What is going on, guys? Micah back with another video, and I am doing another unboxing of the fun packs. You can see right there it says Super Value. I got this a while ago. I just forgot to make a video about it. But it's the Angry Birds Star Wars. You can see right here. Let me take the sticker off. I got it at the 99-cent store. There's like really, you can get them at Walmart and stuff. But yeah, let me get this thing open. Let's see. Hold on, these things are always hard to open. Hold on, I'll be right back. I just had to cut it open like that. Because it was hard to get that piece off. But here's the coloring book, Flying Force. It's pretty cool design. The back. There's that cool little Darth Vader right there, Stormtrooper. There's some 24 pages, I guess, in here. And yeah, it's pretty cool. There's some vehicles and stuff. But everybody really goes for the awesome stickers that it comes with. For some reason, some of them are upside down. These are all good and stuff, but there's this one right here, and this is upside down and stuff. It's upside down. But yeah, and then this is pretty cool. Then it comes with the thing that nobody really uses anymore. I used to use color pencils now and stuff like that. But crayons, nobody uses those anymore. Yeah, and then there's the package. Get out of here. It's for the video. This right here. This book right here. Okay, bye guys. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you subscribe, I'll make more videos. Peace.